Hi, welcome back. Today video we are going to continue to build this login button, and you can see this login button. We have some tooltip in this last video. I'm going to add tooltip here, as well as you can see this size, this placeholder size is little bigger. So what we'll do, small corrections here. Instead of font, we can give text small. Now you'll see, yeah, it's good. Now we will add tooltip here. Search input, we will add tooltip. For adding tooltip, just we can add the title. Now you can see here. Perfect, right? So cool. Now, so next we are going to build login button. Login button. So login button, what we are going to do, constant login button equal to, this is a functional component. I'm going to add as a button. Under the button, I'm going to add login was my text, and I'm going to export by default this. So I need to add a capital. We will follow the same everywhere. It's not because of this, it's not populating, but better to add everywhere looks same. Now perfect. So now I have added here login button under section login button. Perfect. Why it's showing error? Cannot be JSX file, JSX component, it's return type file. So okay. So we are not returning anything, that's the reason. Return, it is a button. So I can save now classes, then we'll see. Class name, similar way, we don't want to add any Indian class. Classes dot button. Okay. So import classes from this class. Okay, cool. Now this login button class we can add it here. Let apply. For that, what we need to do first, some height will give 10, because last time we did something height wrong, right? So don't want to do that this time. So next, set text primary, because text is color is primary and background is white. That's what the button color looks. So now we'll save. Padding X something 10, and why this 10 is coming? rounded SM. Next BG, white already added. Next font semi-bold font, because everywhere we are using the same. You continue the same format for everywhere. Margin top 1, and text some size will give XL, and padding bottom 4 pixel. The button is not appearing. Oh my, we are not saved that. See, now the login button is appearing. The login is good now. So that's all for this video. Next video we will bind the link. So you can see here the link, what it is coming. So this all link, it is how we can reuse this component and how we can bind it, that we will build together for upcoming video. Thank you.